Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable split view on Google Chrome. By default, this option is disabled, and how you can use it and why it is important. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome here. By default, when you open the Google Chrome, this is the default view. At right bottom side, you will find out Customize Chrome. Click on this button. Then go down here, you will find out Toolbar. Click on Toolbar. Then go down here, you will find out Navigation. In Navigation, you will find out Open in Split View. Enable this option. After enabling this option, how you can use this? Now, for example, I am going to youtube.com, and another tab I am going to, for example, google.com. So one tab is google.com and the second tab is youtube.com. So whenever I want to watch the YouTube, I will stick to this tab, and I want to work on Google, so I need to switch to the tab. But I want to watch the YouTube content and also working on this Google. So after enabling the split view, so this is the benefit of split view. Click on the split view button, and then it will show you which tab you want on the screen. So I will, first tab is YouTube and the second tab will be google.com. So this is really good. Now you can also adjust the size of it like this. You can use it for development. You can use it for whatever you wanted. So in here, you can watch the YouTube content and also working on Google. So this is the benefit of split view. And if you have any question, comment down below. If you like the video, must subscribe. Thanks for watching.